Hi, in this video we will see string. In Java, strings are classes. Okay, so let us see how to create a object of string. There are many ways to create objects of string. Let us see one way. This is one of the way to create a string object. Okay, so let us print this string object using system.out.println. We are printing the string object name using system.out.println. So let us run this code and see the output. So John is printed. Okay, so let us see another way to create a string object. So string greeting equal to new string hello. This is another way to create a string object. So let us print by concatenating these two string objects. So let us declare another string is equal to name greeting plus space plus name. Now let us print yes. So here it prints hello John. Okay. So these two strings objects, right? These two string objects, greeting and name, are concatenated using the this plus operator. So we also concatenate this space also. Okay. So now let us see some of the string methods or operations. So we can do some string manipulation. Okay. So let us um, use concat method to concatenate two string objects. Let us see how to do that. So for example, we can use greeting dot concat. We can concatenate the string name with greeting, and this concat method will return a string object. So let us store this object into s1. Now let us print this s1. So the concat method will concatenate the name, that is name with greeting, and the result, the concat method will return a string object, and it is stored inside the s1. So we print s1 now. So it prints hello John. Okay. Next is, let us see some more operations. on string. Okay, so let us uh, declare a string s2 equal to s1 dot, let's call the, let us convert into uppercase to uppercase. Let's convert s1 into uppercase, and let us print s2 now. So here we call to uppercase method on s1, so which will convert the string into uppercase, and it will return a string object that we store it in s2, then we print s2. So let us run this code and see the output. See, hello John at the third one, hello John, it is into uppercase, it is converted into uppercase and it is printed now. Let us also see how to substring it. How to substring. So substring, for substring you can use the method substring method. Okay. So let us substring the that greeting, the string line number 8 we have a string object greeting. We will substring it. So we will declare a string s3 equal to greeting dot use substring method, and we have to mention the begin index and end index. So for example, we want to substring this el from the hello. From hello we want to substring el. So in this case we have to give the begin index as 0 1, that is the starting index, that is 1 is the start index, begin index, and 0 1 2 3 3 is the end index. So it works this way. The start index is 1, so he will be the start index, and the end index is 3, so it will substring up to 3 minus 1, that is end index minus 1. So el will be printed in this case. So let us print this s3. Okay, so substring will return a string object. Let's print s3. So let's run this code and see the output. So in this case el is printed at the end, right? So this is how we can use substring method. So we have seen how to uppercase, so how to convert the string object into uppercase, and how to concat two string objects, and how to substring it, and we will see how to convert into lowercase. So that is easy. So what we can do is we can use, yeah, we can convert this name John into lowercase. So let us declare another string s4 equal to name dot to lowercase. This will convert this name into lowercase. All the letters will be converted into lowercase, and the result and string object will be returned by the two lowercase method that is stored inside the s4. Okay, so let us print this s4 now. So s4. Let us run this code and see the output. Let us run this code and see the output now. See, last John, JOH and John all are in lowercase. So we have seen this, how to use, how to convert it into lowercase. So these are some of the methods we have seen. So we will see how to compare two string objects. So how to compare? Let us declare another string. For example, string name equal to John. We will also declare another string you can say name one. Okay, name one equal to John, JOH and John. Okay, So let us compare these two string objects, name and name1, and how to compare it. So for that we have to use name dot equals method. There is a method called equals. This compares the content of the two string object. Okay, it compares the content of the two string objects. So it is actually case sensitive. So this equals method will return a boolean value, either true or false. If both content are same, then it will return true, otherwise it will return false. So let us store this boolean value into this b, then we will print it. So let us print the value of b now. So how to print now? This way, system dot out of println will print b like this way. Both names are equal. Okay, so let us um, press b. So now let us run this code and see the output. So let us check this one. See, at the end both names are equal, true is printed because name is having the value John, John. J is capital letter, and name one also having the same value John. But if we have, yes, John is all small case. Suppose in this case name one equal to John, but J is small letter. In this case, if the both content are not equal, so it will return false. So you will see the output as false. Let us run this code and again see the output. In this case both content are not equal because it is case sensitive, so both names are equal, false is printed. Okay, so this is how we can use equals method. So in this video we have seen how to create string objects. Different ways are there. We have seen two ways, and we have seen how to use concat method, how to use two uppercase, how to use two lowercase method, how to substring a string, how to compare the content of two strings using the equals method.